In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Planoly. Planoly is a visual planning tool for social media, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set it up, plan a beautiful feed, schedule posts, and review what's working. Start by heading to the Planoly website and creating your account. As part of setup, connect your Instagram and, if you use it, your Pinterest account. When prompted, allow the permissions so Planoly can publish scheduled content and pull in analytics. These permissions are what make features like auto-posting and performance tracking possible. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which has two key areas: the content calendar and the grid view. The calendar shows your posting schedule by day and time. The grid is a visual mock-up of your Instagram feed. You'll use these together to map out your content before anything goes live. Next, upload your media. Click Add Media or the Upload button to bring in photos, videos, or graphics and place them in your library. Organizing everything as you upload keeps planning fast and consistent. A handy time saver is to batch upload a week's worth of content at once so you can plan in one focused session. With your library ready, start arranging your feed. Drag items from the library into the grid or straight onto dates in the calendar. Move posts around until the flow, colors, and balance match your aesthetic. This preview helps you spot gaps, avoid duplicates, and keep a cohesive look. Select any post to add the details. Write a clear caption and include relevant hashtags. Planoly can suggest hashtags, and you can save hashtag groups you use frequently so you don't rebuild them each time. Aim for captions that are scannable and use a mix of broader and more specific tags to reach the right audience. When everything looks good, schedule the post. Choose the date and time, and if you see the auto post option for that content type, toggle it on, then save. If auto post isn't available, or you prefer manual posting, Planoly will send you a reminder at the scheduled time. After you've posted a few times, open the analytics section, review engagement rate, likes and comments, and your best posting times. Use these insights to refine topics, formats, and timing. You can also plan Instagram stories and reels the same way. Upload, arrange, and schedule them, and keep story ideas in your library for later. That's the workflow. Set it up once, plan in batches, and let Planoly keep you consistent.